looking at another common mistake that students make in the topic of algebra. For an example here of a student's working, let's take a look at what went wrong in his solution and let's see if you can find out what his mistake is. So let's read the question first. 5 buns cost P cents each and 7 cakes cost $1 each. What is the total cost of all the buns and cakes? So since we know that 5 buns cost P cents each, so that's why to find 5 buns, he used 5 multiplied by P, which is correct. And then 7 cakes cost $1 each, so to find 7 cakes, he used 7 to multiply by 1. And then he add them up together and he got the answer to be 5P plus 7, which is wrong. Now, why is this wrong? Do you know the reason why? I mean, those of you who have spotted the mistake, that's really very good, because I've highlighted this common mistake when I was teaching the topic of algebra, and I have given a couple of examples how to solve such questions. Now, first, let me bring your attention to the fact that 5 buns cost P cents each. Now, bear in mind that when this student did 5 multiplied by P, the 5P is in terms of cents. And then the 7 cakes, he multiplied that by 1 and he got 7. This is in dollars. So you should know that you're not supposed to use 5P to plus 7 because 5P is in cents and 7 is in dollars. So if you want to combine them together, you have to either change the 5P to be dollars or the dollars to be cents. But in this case, if you look at the answer over here, they want your answer in terms of dollars. So that's why you will have to convert your 5P cents to dollars. Now, how do you convert 5P cents to dollars? Well, if you're not sure, they ask yourself this question. If it's 20 cents, how do you write 20 cents in dollars? You know that 20 cents is written as $0.20. And how did 20 become $0.20? That meant that you have divided by 100 because you moved 2 decimal places. So in order for you to change your 5P cents to become dollars, you can use your 5P to divide by 100. And you will get your answer to be 0.05P. And now this is in dollars. So then you can add 0.05P to plus 7. And then this is the correct answer in dollars. Remember your brackets, which the student has done. Very good. So just need to make sure that in the exam, check the units that are given, especially when you're doing algebra, because it may seem that you don't really make use of your units. You don't really write down your units when you're doing algebra. So it will be good if you can write it in brackets at the side to remind yourself that, okay, the amount of money that you have found here is either in terms of cents or in dollars. So you know that when you want to combine them together, you don't make the careless mistake of adding them together when their units are not the same yet. This is the same if you were to do algebra questions that involve length, which is in centimeters and meters, in grams, in kg. So anything that might not actually have the same unit. So please make sure you write them down in brackets at the side to so that you are aware that their units are not the same, and so when you want to combine them in the end, you will need to convert one of them to be the same first.